We're talking about edge computing or multi-access edge computing. What does that mean?
In edge, what we're doing is we're bringing the cloud services closer to the endpoints and the devices and the users that need the cloud. So if MEC or multi-access edge computing is about bringing the cloud to strategic points in the 4G and the 5G network, dedicated MEC is a particular version of that where we're bringing the cloud into a private 5G network or a network that's completely dedicated to the customer on their campus.
And the idea of being able to kind of locally have that compute resource, that high performance, cost effective, secured and scalable resource close to where it's needed, but have it managed elsewhere, is a fantastic opportunity to really drive innovation and efficiencies.
Do you have any examples of where edge computing is helping out businesses today?
A lot of our customers are really embracing autonomy and AI in order to start, for example, having autonomous vehicles moving throughout a factory or a warehouse, or automating with robots their production line. And it's at that super low latency of 10 milliseconds or less that those speeds at which those things can start to operate can really get turbocharged.
One that I quite like is kind of a retail example. They might have some locations that don't have great bandwidth. If they can have access to the power of Azure locally, but not need a local IT team to look after it, but have it centrally managed, then they can continue to operate.
Then the customer can continue to add use cases on top of what they're already doing to further get more benefit out of that infrastructure. And then that might evolve to do more sophisticated solutions where they can start to take advantage of really the next generation of cloud and edge infrastructure with the next generation of networking.
How can Microsoft, Vodafone, and Kyndryl help our customers overcome these complexities?
So one of the things that we're doing is just bringing the technology together and pre-integrating it and pre-testing it so that by the time it gets to the customer site, it works out of the box and they don't need to worry about how you integrate all these different layers of technology and make sure that they're working securely and performing as expected. Together with Microsoft and Kyndryl, we launched our Edge Innovation Program where we've actually built physical sites in Media City in Manchester in the UK and the Vodafone Innovation Park in Dusseldorf in Germany, where we've brought together all the components of a private 5G network, Azure HCI, with some example applications running on top.
What's so important with partnership is that we each have our own perspective and expertise around different technologies and what customers are wanting to achieve. We are worth a lot more than the sum of our parts, and we can drive innovation far faster. We can adopt technology, transform customers and the technology that partners have available so much more by working in that way.